All right, welcome to 113 Poplar Court here in Collegeville, and this one is special. And I do say that a lot, but I truly mean it. So we're gonna hit some of the highlights of the neighboring area. Everything you see here, for the most part, is within walking distance, and that pool is in a neighboring community, but with an extra fee. The last I checked, you can still be a member of it. So very nice feature. Here's showing that back deck, that relatively new roof, and just the layout for this community and the adjacent community. So that is the drone footage. You see a lot of green space. If you're not familiar with the location, the Movie Tavern is right down the street. A lot of development has been going on in this area, so super convenient location, and the house itself is a knockout. So we'll get you inside momentarily, but this has 4 bedrooms, the way we're classifying it, 2.5 baths, and a basement that is literally insane. So we'll get you in right away and we'll go from there.
All right, here we are at 113 Poplar Court in Collegeville, and this one and I have a history, so I'll go over it. But end unit here, amazing rehab on what they did, especially on the basement. But the benefit to this one right out of the gate is you do have a mini split on the 3rd floor, nice deck, and fairly private here, and then you can access the walk. So, and I do believe there's a Wawa right back there, which is always a good thing. So here's the vantage point from the back. Again, you have this extra space here, which is a nice buffer. And I personally know the basement has been soundproofed and tested with very loud music to make sure the neighbors couldn't hear anything. So without further ado, here we go. So walking in right away, we have a powder room to the left. And again, tenants are still in the process of moving their things out, but it is in the condition you see it right now. Coat closet here, big dining room, actually built into the kitchen. So I'll put you back there, and should bring them up from the basement. Easily fit 3 bar stools right there. So there's the kitchen, updated appliances, gas cooking. I'll spin you around so you can see this and look up. So extra lighting there. And there's that vantage point of the kitchen. So we'll spin you around slowly. This could be the formal dining room, if you so choose, and then the family room. With a fireplace, hardwood floors throughout, lots of cool fans in here, and here's your back deck. So, and privacy on the side. So that is the 1st level, and I'm just gonna jump right down to the basement because this is one of the coolest basements I've ever seen. And now we're doing the HD video. So we have one from years ago, but check this out. So did the small lighting effect. Got the electric fireplace there that will convey. Still some tenant stuff down here, but I think you can appreciate the size of this. All blacked out on the ceiling, vinyl plank flooring, and as far as I know, one of the best soundproof jobs, I don't know, in the history of soundproofing a basement. Let's say that. Totally a guess. So newer water heater, a lot of storage back here. There's the heater, and I'll just take you around slowly because every nook of this basement has had some real unique touches to it. Notice the floor, and I'll show you the laundry units all the way back here, all blacked out, a lot of storage, special lights in there, and then all throughout the bar. I even think the fog machine is here. So kegerator, poured concrete foundation, by the way, bar, lights, everything as of right now will convey. Custom bar top, the city skyline, and let's not miss anything. So this was situated with some couches, and again, use your imagination or look at the other pictures. But a nice nook here, there's a foosball table, high ceilings, custom blackout over there, and look what they did. Look at that, plenty of room here. You can see the equipment, but they even made that nice and extra storage. So take that in. Fantastic basement. You know who did this, so shout out to Carlos and Rach. You know who you are. But even the steps, I mean, they have vision coming down here. That's just fantastic. So let's spin you around without getting you dizzy. Back to the main floor. And we will head upstairs, and then there is a 3rd floor. So up we go. We'll try to keep this one a little quicker. Again, tenant stuff still in the process of getting moved out. This is the primary bedroom. So sizable, bed normally goes there. And then, you know, I call them competing closets these days. His and hers, you know, partners, whatever you got going on, you got 2 closets, so you don't have to share closet space. Beautiful double sink, jetted tub, semi-private toilet with a shower, and if I can, there is a linen closet built in. So that should give you all the vantage points. Nice one of this. We have 2 more bedrooms and a full bath here. Take this in, looking down there to the foyer. So here's one of the bedrooms. Good size, decent carpet. And here's another bedroom. Likewise, so good size on those. Here's the whole bath. Neutral and clean, simple. And bonus, hence the 4th bedroom, the hangout spot, man cave, woman cave, whatever you so choose. Custom clock too. There's a baseboard heater, but up here we have a mini split. So there you are. Plenty of space. I'll tuck you into the corner here. Look at that. So that's nice. So you got the 2 windows there, and then one on the side. So that is all that 113 Poplar is. So I'll take you down, try to see a few more vantage points, and then we'll post this. But as of right now, still unsure what's going to be taking place. So I'll keep everyone posted. There you are. Don't forget that basement. But I'll leave you with a quick shot of the kitchen. There you go.